Hello and welcome back to our channel. Sicario 3 is an upcoming action thriller film. This highly anticipated sequel promises to deliver the same gritty realism, moral ambiguity, and pulse pounding action that defined its predecessor. As the line between justice and vengeance blurs, expect to be drawn into a gripping narrative that explores the dark underbelly of the US Mexico border. With a stellar cast and a talented team behind the scenes, Sicario 3 is poised to be a cinematic experience that will leave you questioning the very nature of morality. The title Capos suggests that the film will delve deeper into the world of high-ranking cartel leaders. We may see Matt Graver and Alejandro Gillick confronting powerful drug lords and navigating the complex power dynamics within the cartel. The Sicario series is known for its exploration of moral ambiguity and blurred lines between good and evil. We can expect Sicario 3 to continue this trend, pushing the characters to their limits and challenging their scenes of morality. The film is likely to feature intense action sequences, including gunfights, chases, and violent confrontations. The successful atmosphere that characterized the previous films will also be a key element. The film will likely continue to explore the devastating impact of the drug war on both sides of the US Mexico border. We may see the characters grappling with the consequences of their actions and the toll it takes on their personal lives. It's important to note that these are just speculations and the actual plot may differ. However, based on the established formula of the series, we can expect a thrilling and thought provoking cinematic experiences. We don't have an official release date yet, but it's likely to be released sometime in 2025. The first two Sicario films have been critically acclaimed for their stunning cinematography, gripping storytelling, and powerful performances. Denis Villeneuve, the director of the first Sicario film, is known for its ability to create visually stunning and emotionally resonant films. The Sicario series challenges conventional notions of heroism and villainy, forcing audiences to confront the complexities of the drug war. As we eagerly await more information about Sicario 3, one thing is for sure, it promises to be a thrilling and thought-provoking cinematic experience. So that's it for now. Are you guys excited for Sicario 3? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you.